Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money from Fidelity. We'll cover the different ways you can move your funds, whether it's to another bank or a different Fidelity account. You'll learn the straightforward steps to initiate a transfer, ensuring your money gets where it needs to go efficiently. We'll also touch on important details to make your experience smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. Fidelity offers several convenient ways to transfer your money. Electronic funds transfers, or EFT, are a popular choice for linking your Fidelity account to an external bank account. For faster transfers, especially for larger amounts, wire transfers are available, though they might involve a fee. You can also request a physical check to be mailed to you or a third party, providing a traditional payment method. Initiating a transfer is straightforward. First, log into your Fidelity account, either through their website or the mobile app. Once logged in, look for the Transfers and Withdrawals section, usually found in the main menu. From there, you'll select the type of transfer you wish to make and enter the necessary details, such as the amount and the recipient's account information. Always double-check everything before confirming. Before finalizing any transfer, always verify all the details, especially account and routing numbers, to avoid any delays or issues. Also, be mindful of any daily transfer limits and the typical processing times, which can vary by method. For more great content and other deals, make sure to check the description below. And speaking of reading, if you love books, you might want to explore new ways to enjoy your favorite stories. Check the link in the description for more information on the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.